Hi dear friends, today I have LG top loader washing machine. This is inverter system, smart inverter 16 kilo top loader. The problem having actually this machines when it's open, switching on. If I'm selecting direct spin and it's not go to step by step, machine hang up, and after some time it's all the lights are blinking, the changing automatically system programs. Now I select already direct spin, but it's display showing like that. This one having sure main PCB problem, otherwise display PCB. We will check what is the exact problem. Remove here screws. I remove the PCB, but still as same we have to change the PCB or display PCB. Let me check exactly what is the problem, main PCB or display PCB. It's automatically changing the programs. Now I found the problem. The problem mean actually this one micro switch already got shorted one. Because of that display when we are opening on the machine, display here and there going and selecting automatically programs because the button. This button actually already got shorter. Because of that we have to replace this button. After that our problem will get solved. This micro switch already gone, because of that now it's not showing. Now continuity before with this micro switch, everywhere showing continuity.
Delivery
After repairing PCB, now we fix already PCB. Now we will check finally it's working or not. And I'm selecting again direct spin 14 minutes, and we will start. And drain motor is working continuously. Yes, motor also working, drum rotating. Increase in RPM now. Also remaining time 9 minutes. Now it should increase RPM. Automatically, not here and there, not going display, not changing options. It is okay now. Yes, now increasing RPM. Our problem got solved.